What are three of the most difficult things an agent faces in mortgage protection sales?
Consistency.
Yeah. Does that sound familiar, Austin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tell me
Leave
about that.
there.
Can-
No, I think consistency in sales, is probably one of the biggest barriers any agent faces, right? And there's so many
I don't know
reasons
if it's a
for
barrier,
that.
it's a challenge, right?
Yeah,
And it's really a self-inflicted challenge.
Right. They're creating their own barrier. They're creating their own challenge.
Yeah. Well, they don't trust like what's going to happen next week because they had a bad week.
Right.
So.
Well, they're not trusting either themselves. They're not trusting their system, right? Like there's so many things that I think get in the way of consistency. But at the root of it, like you said, pick up the phone, make money.
Yeah.
Don't pick up the phone. Oh,
no
my
money.
Yeah. Even if you're not getting the sale or whatever it might be, you're still going through the numbers so you can get to those yeses.
Right.
It's almost like that. It's almost like that game at the carnival where it has little ducks going around in the water, and you're looking for the one that has a W in the bottom of it.
Right.
So you're just trying to get as many of those ducks, to find that winner.
That's a good analogy.
We're going to have that game at our next booth.
Yeah.
So you're going to run into time wasters or whatever, but you can't let them deter you from your direction, or have them dictate what their how bad their day was and how yours is going to perform the rest of the week.
Yeah, it's like Zach says, you look at a pile of leads and he's like, all right, tell me which ones are the buyers. We'll call this first. Right? Like you don't know.
Yeah,
That's right.
Same when you're calling, you don't know which name is going to be your buyer. So just keep calling, stay consistent, put in the revenue generating activity.
Yeah, it's important to have fresh leads too, consistently every week, and not keep, just buy every other week or every 3 weeks. It's not going to get you in a consistent direction.
Consistency with your investment, consistency with your activity.
Yes.
That's the number one challenge. What might be one or two other most difficult challenges agents face in mortgage protection sales?
Trusting the system, making sure that, if you maybe it didn't work out for you this week and you were learning some stuff along the way, but you got to know what people have already been through to learn this business. And that, for instance, like Life Insurance Academy, there's like systems and tools there in place and direction. But if you don't trust it, it's not going to, it's not going to help you out.
It's not going to help you if you don't lean in and do it. You still have to take the leap.
Yeah.
You have to trust the process and do the work.
Yeah.
So lack of consistency, lack of trust. Anything else that comes to mind? What might be a challenge for agents?
Yeah. Afraid to invest.
Afraid to invest.
Yeah. So, a lot of people have a employee mindset when they're coming in this business because that's what they had been doing. They're employee. They were scared to work. I guess they were scared to lose their job with, a W-2 employer. So they're now, with no one over their shoulder, they feel like, they're used to be pushed to work instead of having a belief system that I can get there. I hope that makes sense, I guess.
Yeah, and that kind of goes back to what we were talking about earlier, spending versus investing, right? Not willing to invest because they see it as a spend.
Yeah.
Right? They're thinking of it like as an employee.
Yeah.
Because an employee, they wouldn't spend their own money at work to make that work.
Yeah.
Right? And so if you take that mindset to this and you have that mindset, well, I'm going to try to figure this out on my own. I'm not going to invest in a course with Jason. I'm not going to invest in a relationship with coaching with Life Insurance Academy. I'm not going to go to any conferences. That costs money.
Yeah.
I can figure this out on my own by just watching YouTube videos for the rest of my life. Well, you can find out a lot of stuff on YouTube. Granted, right? YouTube is the second best father in America, right? If you don't know how to fix your plumbing in the sink, you can go to YouTube and get under the sink and fix it.
Yeah.
So yes, there is value there, but a relationship, investing in a relationship, investing in leads, investing in your business, investing in training, these are the things that produce the result that most people, if you have that employee mindset, you'll never achieve. So, cool.
Yeah. Consistency, training, and investing. Those are probably the biggest pitfalls for new agents, or just agents in general.
I love it, man.
Yeah.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you got value out of it, please subscribe right here and this button, this button, or you can continue watching videos there. Thanks for watching.